Tree pose is a phenomenal hip opener. It opens the hips in a standing balancing structure, which creates amazing functional abilities we often use in daily life, such as climbing over a gate, climbing a ladder, or playing tennis. For some, this posture is a walk in the park. For others, it's a real struggle. As outlined in my book, Yoga the Sohot Way, the body will only adapt to give you greater joint mobility once you have the neuromuscular control to use it. The only way you'll achieve that is by targeting all your efforts on relaxing, reducing tension, upgrading your level of motor control. Only then will your hips mobility improve. While balancing on one leg, the heel of the other leg is placed high on the thigh of that standing leg. Tree pose. As with all the standing postures, position 1. Inhale, exhale, relax and open out your structure. Then inhale, and on the exhale, bring your right leg up, thigh parallel to the floor, arms out to the side. And then one breath cycle here. Inhale, exhale, relax and pull your structure open. Then, maintaining this open, relaxed structure, grab your right foot with the left hand. Bring it up to that left thigh muscle and allow the hip to open up, bringing the knee down. And bring your right hand in front of the chest. Pause for the inhale. And on the exhale, relax your whole structure and pull it apart, driving the chest away from the hip. Open up the chest, open up the shoulders, relax the bum. Inhale, pause, maintaining the expansion you just created. Exhale, relax and pull your structure open even more. Keep repeating that breath cycle. Inhale, holding and maintaining the expansion you just created. Exhale, pull open even more. To change, come back the exact same way you went in. You must never round the spine when grabbing your foot. If that's a struggle, try grabbing your foot with both hands from the outside, a bit like this. I need to walk back. Okay, about here. So, inhale, exhale, right arm, right leg up and open out. And then grab the leg with both hands from the outside. And if this is all you can do here, which is how I used to be for a long time, just inhale, exhale, pull your chest up away from the hip, relax and drive that leg out the hip. So drive it out that way, but keep the spine upright. What you don't want to do is collapse down. Maintaining an upright spine is an absolute must. The spine and the chest is your engine from which all your energy flows. If you're slouching, your engine has no power.